Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you guys are watching my video for the first time, my name is Sarla and I am from the state of Andhra. So today, where I am going, I am just walking outside and I thought that so I want to make vlogs. Why? Because in these days I just be in my home and I just do some vlogs and some English related content videos and podcasts in my YouTube channel, right? But I do not upload vlogs, especially outside vlogs, right? So I thought that just do a video outside, not a video. So I thought that do a challenge, like 30 days challenge. And I already made a lot of videos in my YouTube channel. So one of the video is related to 7 days English challenge, right? But that 7 days challenge videos I did in my home only, right? So I sit in a place and I talked about English, that's it. But so I did not come outside and talk in front of the people, right? So I thought that I have to do a 30 days challenge video, that too outside. And I thought that yeah, this is a big challenge for me, so I already made a video in public, right? So I think that is also one of the vlog I made. And from there I get a comfort zone on talking on outside. So I thought, yeah, let's do 30 days challenge. So I think 10 days left for the new year, right? So are you guys excited? I'm too excited. So we are going to celebrate new year. I don't know how you guys are going to celebrate new year, and I have a lot of plans for the next year. I just showcasing to you that how I can speak on public on random topics. So that is what I want to showcase to you. So vlogs are very important, guys. So why vlogs are very important means we are just watching the videos, random videos, that is all about the content, right? We just write the script and talk about it. But when it comes to you or making vlogs, you just randomly speak and you are not going to talk about that particular topic, right? So there are a lot of things in front of you, right? In front of me, a lot of people also there, trees, and I will show you the greenery on my backside. So just watch it. And by the way, today is too cool, not today, all because of winter. In my place here the weather is too cool today. My day was very lazy. Let me just tell you why. Because I slept very late yesterday, and I think around 11 o'clock I slept yesterday. Because of my work, I lately slept. But today I woke up at 7:30. That's why it'll very late for my walking outside. And I came here at 6:30, or if not possible in the morning, then I came evening times mostly. So whenever I get a free time, I just went here and I talk to myself and I be in nature. You guys already know I like nature very much, right? So yeah, and let's talk about this 30 days challenge. This 30 day challenge is all about very chill. So just I'm going to talk what I do every day, okay? Everyday basis, and what I do and what of the people are doing or something like that. And also we can talk about the English related topic as well. And if you have any doubts, do let me know in the form of comments, so that I will do those kind of vlogs, especially on that particular topic, okay? In these days I got a lot of mails, and I had a lot of conversations with big YouTubers, with the with the beginner students, and also with intermediate people. What I understood is that a lot of people are trying to think in English, but they are not ready to speak in English. So let me just clear it first. So every person and every personality, the way of learning is completely different, right? So my way of English learning is different, and your way of learning English is different. Because your comfort zone and your brain says to that fruitful steps, you just go for it. Or else some people don't like reading or listening. So it depends on their interest. My interest is completely listening and also speaking. So this is what I uh, prefer. Okay, so I already told you I do just randomly speak in front of camera. That's it. That is how I learn my English. But I have to say one thing: when you are trying to speak English, and if you are a beginner or intermediate, whoever you are, speaking is mandatory. Whatever you learn, definitely you have to speak, right? Why I'm doing this day one challenge is, you guys also do the same thing. Just go outside and take your mobile and record whatever things happens around you. That's it. You just describe about it. So just you can talk whatever you can talk. I know in the early stage, you might feel very shy, and you're not ready to talk on public. That is really a tough job, I know, because I also faced the situation when I am making my first vlog, on that too outside. And now, I have that confidence, right? I can able to speak on public. I thought when you speak for the first time, it will be very tough, and the second day and the third day and every day you can practice. Just piece of cake for you. You just talk randomly. Don't stick with the same topic all the time. So what I try to say is, learn new things every day. You can, if you are interested to learn new words, just learn it, and trying to use that words and sentences in your daily conversations. And I must say, advanced speaking is mandatory for everyone. So you have to learn something new, and learn new updates. Learn how to use AI to improve our communication skills, right? So this is like a journey. We have to learn every single day. This is what I want to say. Here the weather is too cool as well as sunny, because the time is around 2:30 right now. I just had my lunch, and I thought that, yeah, let's go for walking and make this challenge for myself. And challenges are very interesting, guys. When you take challenges to yourself, and when you give challenges to yourself, so that is where your confidence will improve. Don't think in a negative way, like, am I doing or not, or something like that. So what I'm trying to say is, just do your best wherever you go outside, and be positive all the time. And I think I'm very happy. Why? Because I'm when I'm making my first vlog, I'm too nervous, and I don't know what to talk on that time. But now I'm freely talking in front of people, and even though a lot of people are watching me, but still I'm watching them, then I can able to speak. So that is the confidence I got. So doing these kind of vlogs or very interesting for you, and you can learn something new. So that is why I always like taking challenges in my life. Like, I can learn something from it. So I don't want to be like all the time very boring life. I like challenging things in my life. I definitely take risks in my life, because that is where I can learn something. I believe in that. Okay, yeah. And I think 10 more days to left, and we are going to entering into January 1st, right? And I don't know how you guys are excited about January 1st. I'm too excited. Why? Because I manifested a lot of stuff in my next year. So I definitely manifest something end of the year, and also in my birthday. I definitely do it. 100% I can write whatever manifestations in my diary. Then at least I can try to do 80% of the stuff for myself. If possible, in the next year, I definitely do it 100%. Self discipline is very important for every single person, and that is what I feel. Oh, I feel very happy. Why? Because I'm speaking, and I don't know how I get that confidence. And I think through these vlogs, through this podcast, and whenever I made podcasts with YouTubers, big YouTubers, I mostly prefers to talk with the students and also with the YouTubers. Why? Because with the YouTubers I can learn new things. like if they are big YouTubers, then I can learn something from them, so I can take some advices from them. And I try to ask the questions to them, how I can grow, and what are the steps to learn English, to become a good speaker. So these kind of questions I always ask to them. Personally, I always connect with them, and even though I can connect with my students as well. Students in the sense, like, I'm not say that I'm teaching to them. I'm learning with them. I always make a conversation with every single person who are literally trying to speak this their English, and I saw passion on their eyes, and when they are speaking, so I just saw myself in them. Earlier, I was trusting this language, and even though I'm too interested and I'm trying to be very fluent, I want to become a very fluent English speaker. So that is what I always think about. So I definitely work upon it. When I'm starting my journey earlier, I also had that hope in me that I definitely speak in English. So that is the thing I saw in the people who are talking with me, and definitely they will achieve, and who are trying to speaking their English, and they are confident, and they have that passion, they have that consistency, then they can able to speak English. No worries about it. Get out of comfort zone and talk outside. So just do it for yourself, don't do for every anybody else. So have to do for yourself. You should do. Okay, so just take the phone, go outside, and randomly just talk about anything in front of you or around you, and record it. That's it. This is what you do, and take the challenge to yourself, and don't be in comfort zone all the time. So this is what I want to tell you, who are learning this language. Okay, just trying to get out of your comfort zone and do the vlogs. And so these 30 days vlogs are especially for who are beginners, for who are intermediate people. Let me just tell you in my further vlogs, um, just random talks on how I can able to speak in front of anybody else. Okay, so this is what the day 1 challenge is all about. I definitely catch you tomorrow. And that is the day 2 challenge of me, and I do every single vlog outside. Okay, so 30 days I do the vlogs outside. No worries about it. I'm not going to stay at home and do the videos. For these 30 days I take the challenge. I take the challenge for myself. That's why I think I have to go outside and walk outside and talk on public and speak in English. So this is the challenge I took myself. And what do you guys think about it? Are you guys ready for this challenge? If yes, do let me know in the form of comments, and also do your best and do the vlogs like me. I also want to know in the comment section, are you really interested for this challenge, 30 days challenge? Yeah, this is all about day 1 challenge, and I hope you really liked it, and I'll catch you next day. Okay, so that is a second day challenge of me, and I think you are always bear with me till the end of my 30 days challenge. Then you can do let me know in the form of comments how you feel about this 30-day challenge. So are you learn something, or what you are learning, everything. So do let me know in the form of comments, so that I can feel very happy. This is what I want to talk in this particular video. Hope you really liked it. If you like the video, you know what you have to do. Hit the like button and share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you in another video. Till then, take care of yourselves. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.